Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome you all again in the virtual learning system of Pakistan International School, Taif, Saudi Arabia. Dear students, as you know that this is virtual class for class second year students, subject computer science, and today is our 34th lecture. Teacher name Imran Ahmed. Dear students, as you know that in the previous class, we were discussing decision control structure and the variety of if statements. In the if statements, first we study the if, then if else statement. Last lecture was our about to else if statement. Today is our lecture. Next topic, very important topic, switch statement. The switch statement is used when multiple choices are given and one choice is to be selected. There should be multiple choices will be there and you will have to select only one choice. So on that case, we use switch statement. In switch, we cannot use relational operator in expression. It means that in if statement, we use relational operator or comparison operator instead of expression, but over here in switch statement, we are not allowed to use the relational operator. Relational operator means less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to, and equal to. We don't use relational operator in an expression. Simply in if else statement, there are two choices. Either condition will be true, so true block will be executed, and if the condition becomes false, so else block statement will be executed. But in a case, in a programming situation, when there are multiple choices are there, and we have to select only one choice, then which statement is suitable, then we use switch statement for that purpose. I will give you the example. We will solve that example. Let's say, for example, there are 7 days in a week. Saturday, we start, let's say, in Saudi Arabia, first day start from the Saturday, Sunday, Monday, up to so. So, like this one, I say day number 4. Day number 4 is Wednesday. Day number 3, Monday. So, we have to select, there are 7 choices are there, and we have to select only one choice. So, on that purpose, we use the switch statement. General structure. General structure of switch statement is like this one. First of all, we use the reserved word switch. Then any expression may be in constant or any label. So switch is the reserved word, expression we will assign, let's say any constant, any variable. So we will use over here in that for in that expression. Case is also a reserved word. Case is also a reserved word. After the case, there is constant one or label. You can say that any label. Any label means X, Y, Z, A, B, C, A, B, or whatever you want. But case is a reserved word. Case A, case 1. So you can, because this is general form, so you can write over here anywhere. Statements. So at the front of each case, there should be a statement. Watch over here. Case, let's say this one is case 1, and there are statements, many statements, let's say 2 statements, 3, 4, 5, up to so on, depend on the programming. So there are statements. At the end of each case, we use the reserved break. I will tell you the purpose of break statement. What is the purpose of break statement? Separate topic is this. So break statement over here, simply I use whenever in a program break statement is appeared, it transfer control. It transfers the control outside the block in which it appears. So watch over here. Break statement is appear in which block? This is the block starting and the end. So it transfer the control outside the block. So control will be transferred automatically after that. that statement. So purpose of break statement is it. Next case constant to, so this is one case, another case, so up to so on, third, fourth, sixth, whatever, how many cases you want, you can make it. At the last, you will use this one is also a default. In if else statement, we say if the condition is not true, then control is transferred in the else block. But over here, if any case is not matched, if any case is not matched, then what happened? Control automatically will be transferred to the default block. So this one is also known as default block or you can false block. So it means keep in mind case is reserved word, break is a statement. Break is also statement and reserved word. So at the end, watch over here. There is a full colon, not a semicolon. There is a semicolon, not there is not a semicolon. It is a full colon. So at the end, at the case, you should have to apply the full colon over here. So for the default, you can also write the statement. Now we will have to solve what is the purpose of switch statement. I will show you what is the purpose of switch statement. So I am going to open. This is the example present at your book. In your book, they display the example like this one. So in the that's why these are the syntax of. You can see that these are the syntax of C statement, not a C++ statement. So we will have to solve the C++ in IDE. Turbo C, start Turbo C, file new, hash include. Okay, listen, my program is, I am going to make the program like I told you in the example. I will enter in any day number and computer will show me what is the corresponding day about that number. For example, if I press the 1, if I press 1, then it will show me Saturday. If I press 2, then it will show me Sunday. If I press 3, Monday. Up to so on, there are 7 days, so we will have to make how many cases? 7 cases. IOStream dot h hash include conio dot h void main opening. So enter a number, for example, integer. So I told you week number. So I will give the variable name wn, week number. Wn represent week number. Cout the cout \n enter. Sorry, not a week number. Over here I will use day number. dn. Enter day number. cin. So in the cin statement, I will use to dn for the day number. Over here, you can also apply the clear screen. Whenever you will run, it will show you the clear screen. So what happened? Okay. Now day number after ending, what switch? Watch here, switch is highlighted. Why it is highlighted? Because it is a reserve word. I told you, whenever you will use the reserve word, they will be highlighted. In this program till now, void is reserve word, int is reserve word, switch is reserve. So expression in the switch statement, I told you the general form, I use the expression. Over here, watch here, day number, I use the dn for this kind. Okay, next case. Watch here, case is also a case, for example, 1. Full column. What happened? Cout \n At the C out, you can use any day because this one is a message Saturday. Saturday. And after the each case, I told you use the reserve word break. This is my first case. Now, second case. Second case is also repeated, just the words will be changed. So I will copy shift insert. So over here, it is my second case, and instead of Saturday on 2, when you press the 2, Sunday. Case number 3, shift. This is not a sequence. Watch here, I use a 1, 2, 3. This is not a sequence. You can write over 10, 50, then 15, like this one. So it will depend on the day number. Why I am using the 1, 2, 3? If I apply 1, then it will show me Saturday. When I apply 2, then it will give me value or the message Sunday. When I apply 3 or when I assign the value 3, it will show me Monday. Case 4, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. There will be Tuesday, case 5 will be obviously Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and case 6, Thursday, and case 7, Friday. So this is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the labels. You can give any label, but this label should be matched with the day number. So this one is my last Thursday, and 7th day is, we will give Friday. At the last, if I enter any other number, for example, 10. Now there is no case on the 10, so I will use default. Watch here, default is also highlighted. So we will write over here C out. I will give the message \n, enter valid day number. At the end, we also use a break. Okay, now my program, the switch statement is closed. Get ch. This is the termination of switch, get ch, and this is the termination of main function. Now watch here what we have to do in this program. We are going to find out that we will enter the day number, and this program will show the corresponding day. If I press, after executing, if I press 3, then it will show me Monday. If I press 7, it will show me Friday. If I press 1, it will give me Saturday value. And if I press more than, let's say 1 to 7 is my cases. But if I press 8, then what happened? Then it will show me enter valid day number. Now I will have to execute this program. Let's check. Oh, sorry, I forgot some error to show you, but okay. Let's say, for example, I press the 6. At the 6, there is which day number, which day I write? Thursday I write. So it show me Thursday. Now, I will not execute this one again and again, because after some time, 2 or 3 times when I execute, because this is demo class, so compiler hang this one. Let's say I assign 9. So at the value of 9, there is no any case. So what we'll have to do, it will show me enter valid day number. So whenever in this program, I will assign the value between 1 and 7. So it will show me the corresponding day number. But if I enter any wrong day number, then it will show me this message, enter valid day number. Okay, this is our compiler got stuck. Okay. We are discussing the switch statement. Now, switch statement, watch here the definition of switch statement. The switch statement is used when multiple choices are given and one choice is to be selected. In the example I told you, there were multiple choices. There were multiple choices were there, means I make the 7 choices. So what happened? And one choice is to be selected. One choice, it will execute only one choice. In which, in switch statement, we cannot use relational operator. Check there. In the program, I didn't use the relational operator, I just use the variable name. So this is the switch statement for you. General syntax was, general structure is like this one, switch. Over here, the expression you will use, in the example, I use the variable over here, like dn was a variable. So case constant one at the front of my case was 1. So constant 1 is any user defined word. This one is user defined word. Case is the reserved word. User defined word means any kind of words I can assign is known as user defined word, or you can say the constant any. At the front statement, at the last of each case, I use the break statement. Whenever cases are finished and the value is not matched, then control will be automatically transferred to the default statement. At the end of default statement, you can also use a break statement, or you don't want to use a break statement, but the purpose of the break statement is used to transfer the control. Purpose of the break statement is used to transfer the control outside the block in which it appears. Outside the block, this break is appear this within this block. Watch here. This is the switch statement block. So it will transfer the control outside the block of switch statement. Over here, if the case 1 will be executed after the break statement, it will transfer, because our uh, finished like this one. Okay. Uh, Next topic we will check. So this one is the switch statement. In this example, so I will give you the assignment like this. You have 12. You will have to 12 months in a year. If you enter 1, then it will show you January. If you enter 2, then it will show you February. So like this is your assignment. You will have to do yourself. You must have to do yourself in your at your for the practice, because when you will not practice at the lecture you can understand, but when you will perform yourself it will lead to many errors, and it will make the difficulty for you. Inshallah, tomorrow we will start the next topic. uh, Next topic is, okay, purpose of switch statement with the scientific, the same. This is the same expression. So this is the same. Question number 2 is same to that. Inshallah, tomorrow we'll explain the further topics. Okay, till take care of yourself. Pray for me, pray for all Muslim. Allah Hafiz.